Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to build a Wix website for free in 10 minutes. 2025 update. Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel and let's get started. So your first step in building a website mainly is just open up your browser. Use the search feature to simply search for wix.com. So where we have website builder, create a free website in minutes. Go ahead and click on this option. And then you're taken to wix.com where it says customize to make it your own, intuitive drag and drop, effortlessly add and arrange your text, visuals, buttons, and even entire sections. Built-in AI tools, advanced design features. They have a login option and a get started, which means a sign up page. And if you scroll down, you can see a little bit about the platform, and you can also make your website official with your own domain name. So I believe you can get a custom domain free for 1 year with the initial purchase of an annual premium plan. So they have plan-based settings here. And then market your site from launch to scale, SEO tools and AI visibility, Google, Facebook, and Instagram ads, social media marketing, AI generated email marketing, and run your business from one dashboard. That's quite impressive. All right, so let's get started. So go ahead and click on the get started that you find at the top right corner of your screen. So click on get started and you're taken to the sign up page where you can simply sign up for your platform. So I'm going to be inputting my email, confirming a password, and then clicking on sign up, and I'll show you what comes next. Alright guys, so it says here, who is this website for? This helps us gives you the best experience, myself, my business or a friend, client as a freelancer or agency. So I'm just going to go ahead and select myself and click on next. Okay guys, so once you've selected your use case, you're brought to where you can bring your ideas to life using AI. So it says here, tell us about the site you're creating and get a personalized dashboard with everything you need to manage it. So you could go ahead and click on start chat to use AI or click on setup without chat to set up without a chat. So it says your AI can make mistakes, so double check the results, accuracy, and your right to use them. Okay, that's an interesting term. Just go ahead and click on start chat. And it says here, hi, let's get started with your site setup. First, tell me what your site is about. So go ahead and freely give out information that you need for your site. So I've given it a prompt. I told it to help me build a landing page for an orphanage with the colors being orange and the site having a few copy details from other sites like. So now you can go ahead and provide the details you want it to copy. Otherwise, just keep it directly in the prompt and within the AI's capability. So I'll just take out this portion here. Alright guys, so once you've entered the details, go ahead and send it, but make sure your details or your prompts or your request are within the AI's capability. So it's going to think for a bit and then help me build a landing page for an orphanage with the colors being orange. So let's see how it goes. Alright, so it says here, what will be the name of your orphanage? So you can go ahead and give it a name. Once you've given a name, go ahead and click on send. So just send in the name and it's going to think a bit more. It's going to think further. What type of content do you want to showcase on your landing page? So you can now, add extra details to your landing page. And on the right hand side of your chat or of the chat room, you can see the site profile, dream restored, restoring dreams one child at a time. That's quite beautiful. So now you can go ahead and give it, content to showcase on your landing page. So you could maybe pictures of laughing children, adoptees, all that good stuff. Everything should be based off of what your website has to offer and what the main goal or the mission of your website is. As mine is to showcase the joy of kids being adopted. All right, so let's get into it. All right, guys. So once you've entered the context you want, just go ahead and click on send and send this simple message to the AI. Okay, so I simply put that site type fundraiser for children, site apps, events, and donations. So I guess it's working on these. And then do you have any additional goals for your landing page like fundraising or volunteer signups? You can say yes. You can say yes, but since this is just for the tutorial, I'm just going to put in no and click on enter. All right, so it's going to think a bit more, and then the goals are shown: promoting my business, collect leads, build a community. So I guess it's going to ask questions concerning these steps. Okay, so where are you located? So now the location really doesn't matter, but I guess you could just put something like the US. Alright guys, so once you've entered your location, the site profile is shown. It says the site name, the site type, the events, tone of voice, warm, compassionate, and hopeful. Now you can edit the details later, but let's just end chat and continue and see where it takes us. Okay, so it says here, go to your Wix account on desktop for full experience to continue, or continue to connect the domain or explore the app. Let's just go ahead and explore the app. Alright guys, so once you're on the wix.com/mobile app, I guess this is kind of like your dashboard, but okay, so it says here, go mobile and run your business from anywhere. It shows a dashboard, a few things, and then we have the Wix app. So I guess this is for the mobile app. And then powerful features right in your pocket: manage your website, grow your online store, manage your community, live chat with visitors, track business analytics, take bookings, payments, create a mobile app experience. Okay, so there's the download now. I guess this is for the mobile app. Again, just click on my sites and see what it loads up. Alright guys, so once you're on the manage your website dashboard, there's an offer of 50% on premium plans. So I'm just going to close this, and wow, it kind of resembles WordPress because of how the thing is themed on the left hand side. And we have set up. So it says here, connect a custom domain of dreamrestorer.net. Let's go. Create your fundraising campaign. Review your generated events. Set up your payment methods. Design your website. And then get found on Google. So I guess I'm just going to go ahead and click on design sites, as this is what we are looking to do. Alright guys, so it says here, how would you like to design your website? Customize a template, generate a design with AI. So it says you get a personalized site design in seconds. Browse thousands of designs, then pick one and customize. Alright guys, so just go ahead and select an option that suits you, between picking up a template that has already been made or generating a design. I'm just going to go ahead and click on pick a template. Alright guys, so once you're on the template, you could simply edit it to match whatever you want. It shows here these are the best matches for the prompt we gave to the AI earlier. So we can use the AI company template or this photographer template. I believe this is more artistic, so let's just go ahead and click on, I think, view. We could open this in a new tab and then click on edit for now. So while the edit loads up, let's go ahead and view the template. Alright guys, so once you're on the website, it says here, use this template as a starting point. Change anything you want to make this your website. So let's just go ahead and click on edit, but I believe we already have that tab opened on this part of our screen. So we could simply close this and just view the site to, take a look at the elements. So we have portfolio, about, contact, social media links. We have text here. We have this model, and then we also have the copyright. So it's basically a very simple website from what it looks like here. And then you can click and edit here by clicking on edit this side at the top right. So let's just go ahead and open up our website. Let's see the website and how you can edit it in a couple of minutes. Alright guys, so once you're on the editor page of your website, we have the option to add elements, add sections, more pages and menus, change the site design, add apps, your business, that's to manage your business, add media, CMS, and the option to use AI tools, and also to see your site layers and zoom in to 100%. Alright, so this is basically what your site would look like. They have the upgrade option to upgrade, but I believe we are on the free plan. And there's the option to connect your domain. So if you have a domain that you use, you could simply make use of that domain. Now you can also use the quick edit function to simply edit your website to your desired style. You could quick edit the header, and I believe this is the footer. Yes, you could quick edit the footer of the page as well. Now you can also edit the content on this page by simply clicking on this quick edit here, and it's going to open up the content menu where you can simply edit each and every one of the contents that is showcased on your website. Now we also have the option for layout to change the layout and the way your website is perceived. Alright guys, so that's the beginner's guide to how you can make use of Wix. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.